Hi guys, I'm Sarah and I thought I would quickly show you how to tell the difference between a fertilized egg and a non-fertilized egg. It's pretty basic. I mean, you cannot tell until you crack them open. So if you're planning on incubating chicks or something, you just can't tell. What you have to do is you just have to, as you use your eggs, crack them open and just have a look at what percentage of your eggs are in fact fertilized. So I will show you how you spot the difference once they're cracked open. Okay, so right there is like a perfect bullseye. It's like a little dot and it's got like a bullseye around it. It's got another circle and then another circle, even just one circle within a circle. That is a fertilized egg. That means Mr. Rooster's been doing his job. If we compare that to this egg, see that still it has that little white offshoot off to the side there. That doesn't mean anything. So that is perfectly clear. That has nothing on it. So that is what was referred to as a fertile egg, but it's not fertilized. There we go, just cracked another one. There's another one with a bullseye right there. So that is another fertilized egg. So there we go. Hit like, share the video, hit subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.